How to download any Undertale mod. I'm going to tell you exactly how to download Undertale mods safely in 2025. The two best places to find them are Game Banana and Game Jolt. First, go to gamebanana.com. In the search bar, type Undertale. You'll see tons of mods, character swaps, new maps, even full story overhauls. Click on the mod you want, then hit the download button, and follow an included README file for installation steps. For Game Jolt, head to gamejolt.com, search Undertale mods, and browse the community uploads. Once you find one, click the download game or download mod button. Make sure to scan the file with antivirus software before installing. And always back up your original Undertale game files in case something breaks.